Now, DXY, it's refusing to invalidate or push on up and confirm the count, but I'm still looking for that last high while we're above 94.08 in the DXY. So if I come across and look at the euro, you can see there's the top of the four. We're a hair's breadth from invalidating this thing, but again, like the DXY, is refusing to do so. If it does invalidate, it means this one is in here, and we've got an A, B, and we're going to come up in the C of this 2 next in the euro. But just taking it down to the 4-hour chart, if that's the 4, I can make a case for 5 down as a diagonal, an A, B, C for a deep 2 back. And we again, every time we get towards potentially invalidating it, we have a strong down day. We do need to get through this support as well once we start to move down further. Otherwise, I can count a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get a little push higher as a 5th, then pull back, and it's going to go up in the C of 2 in the euro dollar. Cable still pushing up in the final throes of the C wave of this A, so no change there this evening before we get a B, C, and potentially going to look for the long on the C wave. And just coming down to the hourly chart, I think we've got a 3 and a diagonal for this C, a 4 probably in, and we should just push on up here. The 1618 of the diagonal lines up with the 38.2 back of the entire drop, which is the ideal level, textbook level if you like, for an A wave of a 2 back. US dollar Japanese yen continues to push up. We still need to take out 113.18 next, and then the target for this trade 115.04, but it's pushed up again further today, so no change there either. And just coming down to the hourly chart, I'm looking for a move to 112.94, then the 4.545 up to that 115 area next. Now, Australian dollar off the 2, if that's what it is, the 5 up, 2 back that held the 618, a potential 1 up into the 38.2 and a deep 2 back. If this can accelerate up now towards 73.22, then that starts to bode well for the count that we're following with the 2 larger degree 2 in, and all of this would be for the 1 of the wave 3 up. So looking for the rest of this to play out in the Australian dollar, and I'm on the lookout. If we can take this high out, then I'll start to look for a long entry in this pair to play the rest of the move up in the wave 3. Okay, that's it from me for this evening. I am back in the UK now and will therefore be getting the FTSE and DAX charts out first thing tomorrow morning. May take me a while to get all the currency charts on the smaller time frames up to speed, but I'll get those posted during the course of tomorrow morning as well. And then a full service with the normal charts and full day trading live room service tomorrow afternoon as per usual.